How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to do something on the Volkswagen MK2, and if you guessed pedals, yes. We're going to change the pedals on this Volkswagen MK2. Look at these look very old, and I mean they're original. I'm sure nobody has ever changed these covers since the car was made back in '91. What we're going to install is these. They were $9 on Amazon. I believe they're for MK4. So what we're going to do, we're going to trim some of these pieces off and put some of that polyurethane glue to safely secure them in place. But first, let's take these off. We put some double-sided tape, the Gorilla stuff, heavy duty, on the gas pedal. And on the gas pedal cover, we trimmed these two pieces in, so that way it will be easy to slide in the cover to the pedal. So we cleaned it with alcohol. We're going to wipe this down with alcohol, get all that natural grease it has, so that way you can maintain a good stick. Okay, so we got the gas pedal installed. So how it came curved. So what we did, just flatten out a little bit, since the MK2 gas pedal is flat and not curved. And as you can see, it's in there. I'm yanking it pretty hard and it's not coming out. And I got the double-sided tape, the Gorilla, so it's only going to get better because you're only going to be pressing on it, so it's going to adhere even better throughout time. Alright, now to these. So now that you got the old covers off, let's take them to the workbench to start trimming some of this plastic off. Alright, as you can see, I trimmed a big majority of what was here. Since these are for MK4, all that's left to do is just put the double-sided tape and on, but let's see how it fits so far. Perfect. Alright, so we'll do the same to this. Just trim some of this piece out, that way we could slide it back in and double-side our tape. That is the finished product. As you can tell, not too hard. Maybe 30 minutes of cleaning, cutting, and you could put the pedals anywhere you like. Yes, you could use glue, double-sided tape like I did. This one, I didn't have to cut much, and it fit all the way. This one was the one with the big piece that I had to cut and use more tape, and I used a plastic press to hold the pedal in place for about 30 minutes, yes. And now it's good to go. And it's spiced up the interior of the Volkswagen. Yes. So pedal set. Not bad for 10 bucks. Maybe 1 hour tops. It definitely spruces up the interior. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you check this out. Your Porsche door handle. And you could look at the other video how I install these. Just look up on my playlist. Don't forget to subscribe. Get a like button, a don't like button. leave a comment below. And like always, have fun driving and stay safe.